Hello everyone, myself MS Bahudimal, Assistant Professor from AEDS Department, CRA 332 Drone Technologies, Unit-2. Topic name is Assembling a Drone. Assembling a drone. First point, prepare the parts. The main drone parts are drone frame, motor, electronic speed controllers, that is ESC, propeller, flight controller, power distribution board, battery, receiver and transmitter, GPS module if needed, then camera gimbal, landing gear. Then main tools are soldering iron, screwdriver, wire cutter, heat shrink, electrical tap and screw. Assemble the frame. Start by laying out the drone frame and assembling the main body according to the kit instruction. Attach the arm to the central hub for quadcopters. There are typically four arms. Use screw to fasten everything securely. Third one, install the motor. Attach the motor to the end of the frame arms. Most drone motors are either clockwise or counterclockwise to ensure balanced flight. Ensure the motors are properly secured to prevent vibrations that could destabilize the drone. Verify the wiring of each motor matches the ESC placement. Fourth one, mount the ESC. Install electronic speed controller near each motor on the frame. Use zip ties or electrical tap to secure them in place. Fifth one, connect to the power distribution board. Attach the power distribution board to the frame central hub. This board distributes power from the battery to all components. Then install the flight controller. Mount the flight controller in the center of the drone using rubber or foam pad to reduce vibrations. Then attach the receiver. Install the receiver on the drone frame and connect it to the flight controller using the appropriate wires. Install the battery. Place the battery on the bottom or center of the frame. Depending on the design, most frames have a battery tray or compartment. Attach propellers. Install the propeller on the motors. Ensure the correct propeller or on the corresponding motors. Then CW propellers on CW motors. Then CCW propeller on CCW motors. Then 10, install the camera and gimbal optional. If your drone has a camera or gimbal, mount it securely to the drone frame, ensuring it's properly balanced. Attach the landing gear. This helps protect the drone during takeoff and landing. Then configure and calibrate. Use software such as Beta Flight or Mission Planner to reconfigure the flight controller. This includes calibrating the accelerometer, gyroscope, and ESC. The last one is test the drone. After assembling your drone, we can do the testing. Thank you.